Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change chat color in WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this you have to open your WhatsApp. Now click on three dots. Press on settings. Now click on chats. Now here you can see the option of default chat theme. Click on this. Now here you can see chat color. Press on this. Now you can select your color as you want. Now press on the sign option. Now click on set chat color. That's it. So this is how to change chat color in WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.